Hi, Paul here from PRwilson Media. Now, when your friends or even pages tag you in posts or in photographs, the default is that it appears on your timeline. Whereas here with the review posts option enabled, you get the chance to decide whether to allow it or hide it. Here's how it works. So just to recap where you can set to review post that you've been tagged in, you go to settings here from the drop down and you select timeline and tagging, and then here review posts you're tagged in before it appears on your timeline. Just edit that and make sure it's set to enabled. Okay, so how do we review these posts that you've been tagged in? You click on your profile picture and then it brings up this view, which is where you can see view activity log, and then just click on timeline review. So you can see any tags from friends or others, which is generally pages. Just want to look at pages for now, for example. You can see where you've been tagged. So these are ones about Rotary events that I've been involved with around the world. And you can choose to either add to timeline or hide. And essentially any post that you see you've been tagged in and you're not necessarily sure who it is that's tagged you. Here, for example, not sure who this person is necessarily. As well as saying hide, you might want to report the particular post, and you could feedback. It's annoying, I don't want to be in there, I don't think it's on Facebook, etc. So you can essentially report it, and it may well be that the person will remove the tag, or the post will be, or they'll be contacted by Facebook. There's also a tag review, which basically comes through to the same area. So I'm not sure why there's a separate review. Just looking at your ones from friends where you're mentioned in posts. It might be that's something you want to feature, but I wouldn't leave it as long as I've left it to go through and review all of these ones, most of which I guess if I haven't added to timeline by now, they're going to be a little bit out of date anyway, so essentially just go through and hide them all. And that just goes back through to the setting if you want to change that setting you've got there already. So it really is a useful feature. I know a lot of people have spoken to me about, well, I keep getting stuff posted onto my page, and it's not posted directly onto the page, it's just that you've been tagged, and that automatically, unless you've enabled that option to check it first, that automatically goes onto your own personal Facebook timeline or wall. So this is how you do it, this is how you review it. I've been Paul from PRwilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.